Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right selection tool and making a precise selection around the area to remove. Do this now so the algorithm has clear context. Once done, make sure your sample source is set to automatic or a nearby patch, and set feathering to 1/2 to 1 pixel to soften edges. You should also lower opacity if you plan to blend manually later. These first actionable steps prepare the image so content-aware can analyze textures and lighting accurately. Now execute the content-aware operation and watch how the tool samples surrounding pixels to fill the gap. You'll see why a clean selection matters. If the initial pass looks off, use color adaptation or rotation adaptation to better match textures and lighting. Make targeted adjustments with a clone or sample brush on problem spots and rerun the fill as needed. You should also use the preview and undo functions to compare results, iterating until the filled area reads naturally with nearby detail. Finish by smoothing seams and matching fine texture so the edit is invisible at normal viewing sizes. You'll want to zoom to 100% and use a small feathered healing brush to remove any repeating patterns or tonal shifts. This step explains why manual touch-ups remain essential. If you still see artifacts, retry the process with a larger selection area so the algorithm samples more context, then reapply content-aware. Troubleshooting tip. If fill
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.